that the fact that you are actively training does not mean that it's going to stop you from being able to get pregnant. No, if anything, you are in more danger of getting pregnant easily, because your partner is going to look at you, the curves are going to come out more, and you are obviously more attractive, and he's more attracted to you. So definitely it's going to it could lead to pregnancy. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that you don't have anything to worry about when it comes, if you are still in the childbearing age and you're feeling okay, if I start to train now, will I be able to get pregnant? It doesn't affect your reproductive organ in any way. So that said, there are a lot of people that have started waist training, gotten pregnant, they didn't even know they were pregnant while waist training. It was from maybe morning sicknesses and all that they discovered that, oh, I might be pregnant, take a test, and they discovered that, yeah, they are pregnant. So they stopped training. So really, it's not going to stop you from getting pregnant. And once you know that you are pregnant, please stop waist training. Leave the waist trainer until your baby comes and you can go back to training.